Hi friends, today we are going to see demo on Snowflake Admin Studies on replication. This demo will cover how we can add new objects to the existing account replication failover group, and we are going to see if our account replication is already existing and if we have not included any object which is newly created, or a organization wants us to now include this object as well in the existing account replication, how to do that. Uh, If you have not seen my recent blog, then I would recommend you to please have a look at my blog to get the context clear before looking at this demo. And if you like my demo, please subscribe to my channel. So let's start with demo and see how we can do that. So if you remember, or if you are following my other demos, you are aware that this is my primary account, which is on Europe based to AWS. And here, if you see my existing failover group, so let me go into my failover group, and if I see here what is the database which is currently with my failover group, so you can see only prod.db is my database which is part of my existing failover group, and at the moment I don't have any database other than prod.db, and there is no shares apart from this, so there is only one share, my prod.db, but I'm not going to create any share, so only database I'm going to create. So what I'm going to do is, like, I'm going to create a new database called Rajiv DB and a new role. And before going there, I just wanted to showcase that there is no role with this name, new role. You can see that on today's date, there is, like on 30th, only the existing role account admin has been migrated here. And if you go here as well, there is only 7 roles, out of which other 6 are standard role, and the role account admin was created as part of previous account replication. So now I will go here and create a new database called Rajiv DB, and if I refresh here, you will see that Rajiv DB has been created. And I am also going to create a new role called new role. And if I come here and if I say show roles, I will see this new role name over here. So you can see over here it is 8 row of the roles, out of which 6 are standard roles and 2 are new. So role account admin already replicated, and new role needs to be replicated soon. So by the time we will discuss about this demo, we will see that this has been replicated. So now if I come here and refresh, so role still showing the 7 rows, but in some time it will do the replication. So replication frequency is 1 minute. So to add the new database, so at the moment we don't see that this database is part of our existing replication group, account application failover group. So what we are going to do is, like, to add the new database, we have to do the alter failover group name, and then add to allowed database. So this is the command you can see over here. Sorry, I think I have mistakenly put the set command, but yeah, basically the command would be here. So if you come in the documentation, you will say what else you can do with the failover group. So modify the properties of an existing failover group. From the source account, you can perform the following action: rename the failover group with alter failover group, reset the list of the specified object type enabled for replication and failover, set or update the replication schedule, add or remove the account objects of the following types to or from a failover group, which is basically you can add the database, share, security integration, or API integration. Add or remove the target account if you don't want to replicate anymore any secondary account, you can remove that, or add new secondary account, move shares or database to another failover group, that also you can do. From the target account, you can perform the following action. Basically, you can refresh the object in the target account from the source account, promote the secondary failover group to primary, suspend the schedule, and resume the schedule. So let's come here. By this time, I believe it has been migrated, and now you can see there are 8 rules. And if I order by date, you can see that new rule has been migrated. But to showcase you that till now database has not been migrated, but account replications execution has already been done, and because of that new role has been created over here. Similar to here, if I execute show role, it will show me that new role has been replicated. But the database has not been replicated because we have not included that as part of our existing failover group. To do that, we have to now execute this alter command and we have to wait. So I think alter add, let me, what I have missed, I think I have missed add, oh sorry, I missed the database name, so I will put the Rajiv DB over here, add Rajiv DB to allowed databases. So now it has been executed, and now my if I come here and say show database in failover group, it will show me two records. One is prod DB, one is Rajiv DB, and if we wait for another 1 minute or the another frequency, we will see the Rajiv DB over here as well. So let's go to alter failover group and see some of the example by the time it is getting replicated. So basically what else you can do is like you can do the alter failover group and add the object type if you have not included as part of your initial failover group creation. You can change the frequency of your schedule. You can move the database to another failover group if you want. You can decrease or increase the object type, and you can also alter the failover group frequency from 1 minute to another 15 minutes. So basically I wanted to do that, but once my primary has been migrated to secondary, this new database, and then I will change the frequency. So now you can see that Rajiv has been also migrated, but because this database is blank, you will not see anything. But the idea is behind this is like I wanted to showcase you that you can also add new objects to the account replication later on, and how to do that I have already explained. And if you want to see more details, you can go on documentation and see each and everything's detail, all the caveat, all the users notes and everything in much detail. And likewise, if I come here and refresh the secondary 2, you will see that the Rajiv DB2 has been also came over here. So now we have done like most of the thing we have covered. So I just wanted to stop the replication because else it will start costing me. So what I'm going to do is like I'm going to uh, suspend the replication failover group. So actually I'm going to just alter the failover group, and I'm going to suspend this from both the secondary. So let me come here and let me suspend this. And if I now go here and say show failover group, it will show me that both are suspended at that, right? So no more replication is currently going on. And if I want, I can also drop the details. So I don't want these details anymore over here. So what I can do is I also can go here and drop the failover group. So this is what I wanted to show you. So I am just dropping everything over here. So database will remain here because this was already created, but now no more replication will happen from both the account. So I will just drop this failover group as well. And now if I come here and if I wanted to drop the failover group from the primary account, I can drop it here. So now all the replication account replication from the failover group has been dropped. So no more failover group exists, and if I come here and say show replication, it will show me nothing. So now you will see that nothing is there. So no more account replication is happening at the moment, and no more compute is being charged to me. So this is all about the account replication I wanted to show, and this is how you can do the account replication and different areas I have covered in multiple demos, and hope you like this demo. And if you like this demo, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.